So welcome back Bafethu. I'm here to review Genesis. As you can see lapha nesithombeni Bafethu, uMaruna still declines i-offer kaBongo. And uMaruna is begging and pleading kumama wakhe uWendy ukuthi akaphume endabeni zakhe. uWendy must get out of Maruna's business, our love life business, or whatever business she has to do with uBongo. So she is setting the record straight and setting everything clear to uWendy ukuthi akahlukane nale couple lena, because there's nothing Maruna wants than uBongo. She is not willing to take any amount of money but wants Bongo. On the other side, as you all can see, Genesis, uWendy is always a victim of wanting money. I don't know how am I putting it, but she's always that person who's always hungry for money. Funny how I just said she's a victim, but she's always that person who wants money regardless, you understand? So she's using Maruna to get to Bongo so that she can actually tell Bongo ukuthi yena ufuna imali so that uWendy azoyisebenzisa. On the other side, Umpume is jealous ukuthi uMaruna has signed under a Revelation Records. She's jealous ukuthi now Maruna is finally gonna get close to Gabriel, because remember guys, Gabriel was the father of Maruna's child, of which was Uphila, you understand? Noma ngimbona uGabriel, speak of the devil, wafika uGabriel. Mayefika uGabriel is telling the family, especially uMaruna, ukuthi amtshengise the grave where Phila is lying in, where Phila was laid to rest in, because uGabriel, I believe, did not even bother having to acknowledge the grave, because if you remember well on episode 1, Maruna was performing and she had to go see Uphila because Uphila was ill, but Gabriel could not allow Maruna to go to for Maruna to go to Uphila. So Gabriel has finally came back to his senses. Ufuna grave ayobona igrave endodana yakhe la ilele khona. On the other side, uBongo keeps on coming up with good suggestions lapha Genesis to help benefit Genesis to be a better record label and a better foundation regarding music. So uBongo told Felicia ukuthi she must step out of retirement and get back into the game. There's a music sheet that Muzi left, you understand, and there was an album that Muzi was composing before he passed on that Felicia can work on and better the tone, the melody and the lyrics and the songs. So Bongo obviously gonna be the producer and obviously Mama is Ocula, but Bongo is coming up with a good suggestion. Mama Felicia must use those notes and lyrics to make up a song. She must step out of her comfort zone and out of her retirement and go back to work, to singing basically. And he's doing it for Genesis, I can say. And on the other side, finally Gabriel goes to Phila's grave, and you can see Bafethu, for a man like this who's a villain, it's kind of sad at this point in time in this situation, but it's good that he finally came back to his senses and spoke to Phila lapana in the grave. Firstly, Maruna brought up amazwi ukuthi nangu Gabriel, the biological father of Phila. And obviously Gabriel also had some things to say to indodana yakhe and everything, you understand? So they finally went to the grave together as mother and father, you understand that? Because we all know the dramatic situations that these two have passed on, you understand? And it was a secret that it was exposed to people who would say, Gabriel is Phila's father, you understand? And Maruna was hiding that all along. So as you can see, Gabriel has apologized to Phila and has promised to Phila ukuthi uzomthanda ngayo yonke indlela and do things right, you understand that? Because bethwele emahlombeni akhe and uzomnakekela Maruna if Maruna lets Gabriel take care of her. On the other side, Ishmael is achieving daily. Ingoma yakhe ibidlala kwi-radio, you understand? His number 1 hit single, the music video was playing on radio, but Ishmael does not look happy regarding the fact that his girlfriend Unobuhle is not working under Genesis anymore. So Unobuhle she is fulfilled, but Ishmael made a promise ukuthi he is always gonna be there for Unobuhle. Come rain, come sunshine, he's always gonna be there whatever happens, you understand? And Unobuhle was kinda impressed to hear those words. It's good that they both have each other regardless of the things that they are facing. And on the other side here, uWendy does not give up fighting for Maruna. So uWendy had to visit the Tabete family. When she visits the Tabete family, Obviously, we all know what Wendy wants. She's fighting for her kids, but mostly what she is fighting for is money. It's always money. It's always revenue that she's fighting for. And now, ufike lapha nakwaThabethe and spoke to Felicia yabona regarding spouse maintenance yabo. So obviously there's a payment that she wants yabona to reflect to Umaruna, but at the same time she knows ukuthi she's also gonna eat in that payment. So Bonko had to step in the conversation yabona out of nowhere, because obviously Bonko is Maruna's ex-husband, but now Uwendi is requesting for a spouse maintenance, and Felicia is denying. We reject her offer. That won't happen if she is still alive. Nobonko came to the situation and intercepted by saying that he will offer Umaruna that spouse maintenance regarding provided Maruna leaves them for the rest of their lives for good, you understand, but it's going to be a once-off payment. So agreement isenzakalile between uBonko noWendy. Bonko is going to pay for the spouse maintenance. Back to Gabriel Bafethu. So it's all done. Yabona ukuthi bavakashele igrave kaPhila. So now they're speaking as mother and father. So Gabriel is applauding Umaruna and giving credit to Maruna ukuthi she is very talented. She's a very talented artist in the gospel industry compared to anyone between Revelation and Genesis. And he is actually impressed and proud ukuthi Umaruna signed under Revelation. So Gabriel has set up an interview for Umaruna to speak her feelings regarding her journey at Genesis and why she actually transitioned to a Revelation. And on the other side, Bafethu, it's not looking good. Mpumi is very, very jealous. She's fuming, having to hear Umaruna and Gabriel went to Phila's grave. And those guys are kind of bonding ever since Umaruna signed to Revelation Records. So it's a surprise Uwendi does not know Mpumi is dating Gabriel. It's a surprise, because I thought Uwendi was the one pushing Gabriel to actually keep Umaruna, to keep Mpumi. But it's a surprise Uwendi is saying she won't answer, she won't actually get into the conversation Mpumi no Gabriel, you understand? Because Mpumi also owned up yena no Gabriel bayathandana, they're in a relationship, you understand? And Uwendi does not even care about that. The interview happens. As you can see in the room, there's a journalist a recorder footage Maruna explaining. Maruna is explaining her journey that she had at Genesis. We are sure there are many talented people at Genesis, and she benefited at Genesis, but Gabriel has to benefit the most because she was made and she was groomed by Gabriel, you understand? But the journalist is not convinced. Umaruna is saying the other side of the story, which is positive about Genesis, but Umamwake was saying the baddest stuff about Genesis, Felicia Thabethe and the whole Thabethe family. And on the other side, we are sure Gabriel, journalist, the journalist must delete the video. The journalist must delete the video, you understand that? Because obviously it was a bribery for Gabriel to give the guy because something good about Revelation, you understand? So obviously Gabriel, his mission is to take down whatever comes his way, especially Genesis. So he bribed the journalist to actually write a story, a good story about Revelation and how Maruna signed to Revelation, and the guy wants the story tomorrow morning. So moving on, Yabafetu. Uwendi is concerned about Maruna's up and down in the house, but Maruna has actually brought up the news she's gonna be there around the house temporarily. Oh yeah, for a temporary time, I can say. Yeah, I think he's but she's gonna be moving out in 2 weeks, you understand? And Mpumi is jealous now. Gabriel is gonna buy Maruna an apartment in 2 weeks. And Maruna bragged ukuthi she sets the standards high. Mpumi does not even get to a level. That's painful. On the other side, as you can see, Umam Felicia is singing what Umuzi left. So the song was pretty good, I won't lie. I understand. I never thought Utu Felicia would sing one day. But it came to my surprise. Would say, a whole legend came back to the music industry, and such a Shinga Bonko has finally worked out. You understand? So basically, she is out of retirement. basically, and Ubongo's suggestion actually worked. So Felicia is finally out of retirement and she's gonna be working with the Genesis. It was emotional to watch and to witness, but njengoba ngisho number fethu, I couldn't believe ukubona uFelicia ecula yabona, and I can't wait to actually see what she has for Genesis. So moving on bafethu, as you can see, Mpumi went to Maruna's room to actually strangle her and threaten her ukuthi ashare revelation. So basically Mpumi is telling Umaruna ukuthi she must resign under a revelation. She must resign under a revelation because revelation is hers and she's building an empire, not Gabriel apart. So she mustn't come and waste and destroy whatever Mpumi has worked for by no Gabriel. So Maruna is threatened, yabona. She had no words to say, yabona. So bamtshelile lapha uMaruna ukuthi if she doesn't resign, she'll split her throat, meaning ukuthi the high chances Mpumi can kill her own sister simply because Mpumi thinks ukuthi Maruna is here to take Gabriel back to her, understand? And obviously she wants to build a empire, a legacy lapana, a revelation by Gabriel. But again, according to me, I think Gabriel is using Mpumi, and according to me, I think Gabriel is gonna fall in love again with Maruna. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think is gonna happen next in the next episode. Danko.